In this video, I want to show you how to fix your lab repository or any other repositories you have with our course, which is, let me add that one up as well here, comp2152. So comp2152, and the title is Fix Lab Repository. Like always, I have this imaginary student account. Let me show you the user account here. This user is called Bachman Ehrlich, and these are the content of his labs till last week, which is the week 4. Let's say mistakenly I have, this is what should your lab looks like, right? And let's say if mistakenly you added another folder here, like your I don't know, assignment here, which shouldn't be in our lab repository. Assignments should have another repository like the one we have here. Let's go to the repositories, and we have comp2152 assignments, and all of your works should happen here. Okay, so you should have this repository under your account, and if you want to submit anything, you have to submit it under your comp2152 assignment 1 repository. If you don't know how to do that, there is a video. I will link that in the description so you can follow the video and fix your lab 1. But let's say mistakenly you add one folder which shouldn't be here. So let's do that together. I'm going to create a new folder here. Folder, I'm going to calling it assignment 1. Okay, so it's here, and here I'm going to create a new file, and I will call it, for example, my student ID, just imaginary student ID.py, and I will create a comment. This is my code. Okay, so like always, and again, this is a mistake, we shouldn't do this, but let's say I did git add dot git commit -m add assignment 1, and then I push this to my repository. Okay, now if you look at this repository, a new folder will be shown here just a few seconds ago. This added assignment 1, which this is incorrect, right? What you need to do, you need to open your VS Code. If you are using Mac, the default terminal is good. If you are not using Mac and you're using Windows, you need to use Git Bash. So what should you do? You should first check where you are. You should be inside the comp2152 labs folder or directory. And if you do ls to list what you have, you might see this folder name here. If I do ls-la, you will see that in order. So assignment 1. So the only thing you need to do is take a backup of that. So for example, you can make a copy of that, for example, through cp to desktop. So what is the source file is assignment 1, and this is the Python file, and I want to copy that in my inside my desktop folder. Oh, not there, here. Okay, what's happening? I need to grab the name, paste it here. Perfect. So if I do ls my desktop, you will see the Python file has been copied there. So simply I took a backup. Now what we can do, let's do that this way. I want to remove this. So rm-rf assignment 1 Be careful, you need to provide correct name. And now I can do again git add dot git commit -m fix the lab repo and git push, so that issue will be fixed. Let's check. So if I refresh, this assignment folder shouldn't be here, and we will have only our Wix for the labs. Again, assignments, they will have their own repository. That was it. I hope this is helpful. If there's anything here you don't need, that you can just remove it through RM and do the steps I took, so you will have a clean and proper repository. I will end this video here. Like always, if you have any question, you know how to find me. Also, we'll have another video about the Python lab.